Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how to check update in Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you check any app update information in Redmi 10 phone, guys? Today I will tell you guys how can you check. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so guys, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Guys, now let's start video. First of all, what will you have to do? Open your phone setting, guys. Then guys, come on apps. Then guys, click on manage app. Then guys, you can see update option. Also friends, on your Wi-Fi and data guys. Let's see, friends. So you can see there are two app, MIP and FM radio, guys, which I have to update. So I think, friends, we have understood how to check update in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.